and welcome to Nurse Table Talk. I'm Nurse Julie, and today I wanted to share information about a product that I used during my healing after my hip replacement. The product is called the Iceman, and we have pictures that we'll put up, and it is a cold therapy, not freezing therapy, cold therapy, also called cryotherapy, and I use that as part of one of the therapies for post-op from my hip. The Iceman helped me manage the burning sensation from my wound, and then it also helped me because it would help me decrease the inflammation, and then I felt better, so I got up and I was able to move around more quickly, which helped me get my range of motion back sooner. So those are why I'm such a believer in this product. But first of all, just so you know, a prescription has to be obtained from your doctor. They will let you know how often to use this during the day, how long they would want you to apply it towards your affected site. And they're the starting point. They're the ones that have to write the order to obtain it. So anyway, after you get the prescription, they may tell you where you can find it. If not, you can call the manufacturer directly and let them know what you have going on, and they can recommend, maybe you can rent it somewhere. I know I had to pay out of pocket. Medicare does not cover this, and it ran me roughly $200. So it's a great therapy, and how it works is it has a tank and a hose, and then the mat. My mat happened to be a mat that you would use for hip, but there's knee and there's shoulder, I'm sure. So you can let them know what affected area. Your doctor's going to be the one letting them know probably, but what kind of mat to use. But there's no on and off switch. You just plug the cord into the wall. It starts the therapy. And in the tank, there is ice and water, and there's a fill line. And then once you turn it on, it starts going through the hose, and then the mat gets colder and colder. And it's really a really, really cool product. But anyway, what we did, and the manufacturer does not recommend this at all, but this is what we did because it helped my husband do other things to help care for me while he didn't have to be changing the ice in the machine every 2 hours or whatever. But we filled small 10-ounce water bottles, and we'd put 5 in the machine, put 5 in the freezer, so there was a total of 10, and then we would switch them out and replace them as the water bottles started to thaw out, and replace them all at once and change them up, put those in the freezer, bring the bottles out of the freezer and put them in. It just worked really well for us. But again, the manufacturer told me they do not recommend that. Anyway, it's a great treatment. You could ask the manufacturer what they might recommend in place of that, but all I know is that my husband was trying to help me get up and transfer to the restroom and manage my meals and manage my medications. And, there's a lot to being a caregiver. So he was that for me, and he did a great job. But this machine he said it was a lifesaver for him. So I just wanted you to know that. Anyway, I would recommend using this product if you might need it. We happen to have it, and I did have some other leg treatments, and I used it with the permission of my vascular doctor as well. And again, it's just really a nice thing to have in the house, I think, but that's my opinion. You guys contact your manufacturer, talk to your doctors, it's out there. There's different therapies that are adjunct for whatever their primary therapy might be. But anyway, just putting it out there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.
Nurse Table Talk. Save time, save money, be informed. Thanks for watching.